In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the common problem of Steam games not showing up in your library. It can be incredibly frustrating to purchase a game or know you have it in your collection, only to find it missing when you scroll through your list. Usually, this happens due to hidden settings or the new privacy features Steam has introduced. If this video helps you get your games back, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once the application is open, navigate to the top of the interface and click on the Library tab. This is where all your games should be visible, but if they aren't, don't worry. Look just under the main search bar on the left-hand panel where your games are listed. Next to the search by type dropdown, you will see a small filter icon. Click on that filter icon now to open up the advanced filtering menu. This menu allows you to sort your games based on various categories like genre, hardware support, or play state. Within this filter sidebar, look for the section labeled Play State. Under this section, you need to find and click the checkbox for private or hidden. This is a common place where missing games end up if they were accidentally toggled into a private state during a recent update or by manual selection. Once you have checked that box, you should see those missing titles reappear in the list behind the menu. To make sure you don't have to keep doing this manually every time you open Steam, we are going to create a permanent view for them. Click the button at the bottom of the filter menu that says Save as Dynamic Collection. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for the collection. You can name this something clear like Hidden Games or Private Library so you always know where they are. After typing the name, click the Save button. Now, look at the left side games list in your main library. You will see your new collection labeled separately, and all those games that were previously missing will now be listed right there where you can access them instantly. This method is much more effective than restarting Steam or clearing your cache because it addresses the metadata filters that organize your library. If you have a large library with hundreds of titles, using these dynamic collections is the best way to ensure no game ever goes missing again. It organizes your shelf automatically based on the rules we just set. By grouping these games together, you can easily right-click them and change their properties if you want to move them back to your general library view later on. Remember that Steam's UI updates frequently, but the filter mechanism remains the most reliable way to find hidden software. If this fixed your issue and you can finally get back to your gaming session, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 Steam guides and tech tutorials. If you are still having issues with specific titles, drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you troubleshoot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.